Hi, I'm Marcia, University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener of Greater Kansas City. Cool season crop, warm season crop. What's the difference? Well, let's compare. Cool season crops actually have two growing seasons and can be planted in early spring or fall. These plants need cooler temps to germinate, grow, set fruit, and mature. They need to complete their full life cycle up to harvest before the temperatures get too warm, around 75 degrees. Cool season crops can be planted in the spring anytime from several weeks to a couple months before the last frost date. Here in Kansas City, we range from zone 5B to 6. That last frost date is generally mid-April to the early weeks of May. Now is the perfect time for cool season crops. If cool season vegetables survive into the warm weather, the crop really deteriorates, like radishes will become woody or fibrous. Some of the common cool season vegetables include leafy greens, cabbage family crops, and root crops. Warm season crops have only one growing season, late spring to late summer. These plants require warmer soil and air temperatures. They need to be planted after the last frost, but early enough so that they can reach maturity before the nighttime temperatures get too cool. Again, our zone 5B to 6, first frost is in mid-October. The quality of warm season vegetables deteriorate when the nighttime temperatures get too cool. For example, the cucumbers will turn bitter when the nighttime temperatures become cool. Common warm season crops are beans, corn, cucumbers, tomatoes, squashes, herbs, and many more. A couple of other points to consider. If you're planting from seed and your spring-summer season is shorter than the plant's time to maturity, you may need to start your seeds indoors and plant the seedlings outdoors after the last frost, or buy bedding plants from your favorite source. You can check your seed packets for days to maturity and determine the number of days in your growing season. Here in zone 5B to 6, we have around a 180-day warm growing season. For cool season crops, to plant a second fall crop, you need to plant early enough for your crop to reach maturity before the onset of a hard freeze, that cold weather that will kill most of them. Hopefully this clears up those confusing terms, cool crop, warm crop. Check below for a list of cool season and warm season crops. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear your experience with cool season and warm season crops. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next video. And until next time, see you in the garden.